Volvo has built a reputation for being one of the safest, most dependable car brands on the planet. Some models will run past 200,000 miles with almost nothing to worry about. Others look just as good in the showroom, but quietly drain thousands from your wallet as the miles climb. In this video, we'll rank the best Volvos to buy, and we'll tell you exactly which model years to avoid. Let's get started. Coming in at number 6 is the Volvo XC40, and this is where most smart buyers start. The XC40 is Volvo's compact luxury SUV, and it punches well above its price class. Powered by a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder, producing around 247 horsepower in the T5 trim, it pairs that with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth, confident gear changes without the harsh shifts you find in rivals. Fuel economy lands in the high 20s in the city and low 30s on the highway, respectable for an all-wheel drive luxury SUV. According to multiple reliability sources, the XC40 holds an above-average dependability rating, and owners consistently praise its build quality and its genuinely useful interior storage. With high safety ratings and a refined, comfortable cabin, the XC40 remains a popular choice for buyers who want the Volvo experience without the full-size price tag. For those shopping used, the 2021 and 2022 model years are widely considered the most reliable XC40 years of this generation. The early electrical software bugs were sorted out by then. Expect to pay somewhere in the range of $28,000 to $34,000 for a clean used example. The one thing to watch, the earliest 2019 models had some infotainment and software complaints. Manageable, but worth knowing before you sign. At number 5, we have something a little different, the Volvo V60 and its larger sibling, the V90. In a world obsessed with SUVs, the Volvo Wagon is the quiet genius pick. You get the same safety, the same refinement, and the same drivetrains as the SUVs, but with better fuel economy, a lower center of gravity, and arguably more usable cargo space. The V60 typically uses the same 2.0-liter turbocharged engine family, and in the plug-in hybrid recharge variants, combined output climbs well past 400 horsepower while still returning excellent efficiency. According to owner data, the naturally aspirated and mild hybrid versions tend to be the most trouble-free over the long haul. This is the Volvo for the buyer who actually drives, who values handling and practicality over the tall SUV stance. For used shoppers, look at the 2020 to 2022 model years for the best balance of features and proven reliability. Number 4, and the best Volvo sedan you can buy, the Volvo S60. The S60 is proof that Volvo didn't forget how to build a driver's car. In the T6 and recharge trims, you're looking at well over 300 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic that makes highway passing effortless. It's quick, it's quiet, and the seats, as is tradition with Volvo, are among the best in the entire industry for long drives. According to reliability data, the S60 earns a solid dependability score, with owners reporting strong durability from the powertrain when maintenance is kept current. With its comfortable, refined interior and top-tier safety credentials, the S60 remains a popular choice for buyers who want luxury and engagement without jumping to a German badge. For those shopping used, the 2020 and 2021 S60 model years are considered the sweet spot. The second-generation platform had matured, and the technology was fully sorted. Expect a price range of roughly $26,000 to $33,000 for a well-kept example. A quick note for buyers, the plug-in hybrid recharge models are fantastic, but battery and charging system service can be costly out of warranty, so factor that into your decision if you're shopping used. Coming in at number 3 is the flagship, the Volvo XC90.
This is the SUV that put modern Volvo back on the map. 3 rows, seating for 7, and an interior that genuinely rivals SUVs costing $20,000 more. The XC90 uses a turbocharged, and in some trims, turbocharged and supercharged, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, producing up to around 400 horsepower in the Recharge plug-in hybrid. It moves a full-size SUV with surprising authority. According to safety organizations like IIHS, the XC90 has been a repeat top safety pick, which is exactly what you'd expect from the brand that invented the modern 3-point seatbelt. Owners praise its serene highway ride and its cavernous, beautifully finished cabin. But here's where you need to be careful. The first-generation XC90s, particularly the 2016 and 2017 model years, had documented issues with the early plug-in hybrid systems and some electrical gremlins. By the 2020 model year and later, Volvo had resolved most of these. So for used buyers, 2020 to 2022 is your target window. Expect to pay anywhere from $38,000 to $50,000, depending on trim and mileage. The XC90 isn't number 1 on this list for one reason: repair costs. When something does go wrong on a full-size luxury hybrid, the bills can be significant. It's a phenomenal SUV, but it demands a buyer who budgets for premium maintenance.
At number 2, and the single most popular Volvo for a reason, the Volvo XC60. If you want one Volvo that does everything well, this is it. The XC60 is the Goldilocks of the lineup. Not too big, not too small, priced right, and built on a platform Volvo has refined for years. It seats 5 comfortably, swallows cargo easily, and rides with the kind of quiet composure that makes a 300-mile drive feel like 100. Under the hood, the B5 and B6 mild hybrid powertrains deliver strong, efficient performance, typically between 247 and 295 horsepower, with an 8-speed automatic that keeps everything smooth. According to consumer reports and owner surveys, the XC60 consistently posts above-average reliability scores, especially in the mild hybrid trims, which avoid the added complexity of the plug-in system. With high reliability ratings and a comfortable, refined interior, the XC60 remains the smartest all-around choice for buyers who want a dependable luxury SUV. For used shoppers, the 2020 through 2022 model years are widely considered the most reliable XC60 years of this generation. Expect to pay in the range of $30,000 to $40,000. If you're cross-shopping and you just want the Volvo that gives you the fewest headaches for the most reward, the XC60 is the answer. It's the one we'd point a friend toward without hesitation. And our number 1 pick for the best Volvo to buy in 2026 isn't about choosing a different model, it's about choosing the right year of the right model. The single best value in the entire Volvo lineup today is a low-mileage, well-maintained 2021 or 2022 Volvo XC60 B5, the mild hybrid all-wheel drive trim. Here's why. By 2021, every meaningful platform bug had been resolved. The mild hybrid system delivers near plug-in efficiency without the expensive battery liability. Depreciation has already taken its biggest hit, meaning you let the first owner absorb the loss. And you still get years of Scandinavian safety, comfort, and that legendary 200,000-mile durability ahead of you. According to multiple sources, this configuration represents the pinnacle of the brand's commitment to durability, serenity, and value. It is, quite simply, the best Volvo to buy right now, the maximum amount of Volvo for the minimum amount of risk. So there you have it, the best Volvos to buy, ranked by the data that actually matters: reliability, repair costs, and long-term value. Which Volvo do you own, and how has it been for you? Your experience might help another buyer make the right choice. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.